guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. So for today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be how to style a midi skirt 5 different ways. So before I get rambling, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and give this video a big thumbs up because it really supports my channel and I really appreciate it. Okay, let's roll the intro. So I really want to start incorporating these kinds of videos, just how to style staple pieces in your wardrobe, because if you guys follow me on Instagram and if you just like know me, I really love fashion and I love being like as minimal as I can. Disclaimer. I am in no means like a minimalist like to a T, but I do like having one staple thing in my wardrobe and being able to style it various ways so you get the most use out of it. Like, I love that. I'm here for it. So for today, we are styling midi skirts. My midi skirt is the classic cheetah print one. You see it all over Instagram. It's super trendy right now, and yeah, so I was like, midi skirts are here. They're here, they're taking over the world, and I think they're here to stay, at least for a little while, because midi skirts are just so practical. You could dress them up, you could dress them down, and we'll get into that. And like, they're just amazing. You don't have to worry about any like wardrobe malfunctions because they're so long, but yet they're still so comfortable. They're just like, I love it. I love it a lot. So for this first little style, it is mixing patterns. You know, don't be afraid to go out there and mix some patterns. You know, it's a vibe. It's 2019. Who cares? If that's your vibe, then do it, you know? People have been mixing patterns since like the dawn of time. Actually, that's not accurate. Don't check my sources on that because I don't have any. You know, like mixing patterns can be so much fun. So what I did here is this little tie top is from Boohoo, and the midi skirt itself, also, yeah, I should mention that, is from Forever 21. They have some awesome midi skirts, super cheap, you know, it's Forever 21. And you know, I just love getting the most out of a really cheap item as well. You just kind of like get your money's worth. But yeah, this little tie top is from Boohoo, and just mixing, you know, your usual polka dot with a midi skirt, like a cheetah print midi skirt. Like, that's a vibe. Like with this look, I feel like just some super chic heels like this, a nice chunky heel with the band at the top, you know, because like you're clashing a little bit, but like clashing, but make it fashion, and throw on a nice heel and like you look amazing, you know, accessorize it, and wow, that's a fit right there. So this next one is a little bit on the less dressy side. We're getting edgy with it, and I love getting edgy. Dressing edgy just gives me some kind of like empowerment. It's like I put on like a platform like Doc Martens boot, and all of a sudden I can like conquer the world because I could just stomp on everyone with these freaking roach stomper boots, you know? So this outfit, how I styled it is I got a super cute cutoff band tee, you know, Iron Maiden, can't go wrong, but I'm also styling it with a belt. You know, you could throw on like more like layered necklaces. I just don't have a ton of layered necklaces, but this would look dope with some like Billie Eilish like styled layered silver chains. Oh, that would look so sick. And then of course, throw on some platform Doc Martens and you have yourself a really edgy midi skirt look going on. I am obsessed. Okay, so now we're flipping the switch and we're gonna be a lot more casual. So for this look, obviously I got my midi skirt going on, but top it off with either, I mean, I'm wearing like a super cropped like t-shirt I got from Goodwill, you know, a really cropped lazy fit t-shirt, or what I'm wearing in the little look clip is a super lazy cropped sweatshirt. So this one specifically is from the laundry room and I just really like it. It really has that lazy boyish fit to it, and it's really cropped, so it's still like the high waist of the midi skirt will still accentuate your waist so you don't look like you're swimming in the outfit, you know what I mean? And then also just pair it with some classic Air Force Ones or any kind of sneaker for that matter. I feel like this outfit would also look really dope with like the dad shoes, like the Fila dad shoes, you know, that's like a trend. I didn't hop on that trend personally, but I still think it's dope. So just throw on some sneakers with it and ooh, you got a cute but comfy staple look. Maybe I'll wear this to work tomorrow because you know the skirt just still gives you that like, oh, I'm a little dressed up, but then like here up you're like but I'm like comfortably dressed up, as well as like the sneakers. It just gives you this message of like, hi, I'm here, I showed up today, but I'm comfy, you know. So for this next look, number 4, I believe we're on, is going to be your dressy look with a midi skirt. So I have this nice button-up collar shirt. You know, you can roll up the sleeves to make it a little bit more comfortable or keep the sleeves rolled down. You know, this could be an office look. So I just really love this because yeah, it does look super business casual, you know, appropriate and everything. You got the length of the midi skirt that makes it wildly appropriate, and then you have the button-up shirt that gives you that nice, awesome office vibe, but it's a fun, flirty pattern of the skirt, you know, the cheetah print or whatever pattern or color that you find with whatever midi skirt you're styling. But yeah, and then you just accessorize it, you know, maybe you're a bit more of like the soft style, so you know, put some pearls on your neck, you know what I mean? Or maybe you're a bit more edgy, so like layer some necklaces so you can like accessorize how you want for your style while still keeping it office friendly, you know what I mean? And then of course pair it with some heels, these same heels I was talking about in the first style, and you have a really adorable and fashionable office look. And I love that about midi skirts. They're so versatile. Like, you go from being like comfy casual to like stepping into the courtroom and like Legally Blonde, like winning a case, you know what I mean? That's dramatic, but I am. And this last look is just, I don't know, it's awesome. All these looks are awesome. I'm obsessed. But and for the last and final look of styling this midi skirt is just adding a pop of color. It's simple as that. So this neon green tank top that I'm wearing in the clip is from Forever 21. You know, it has like the little lettuce detailing cut on the top, and just adding that little pop of color, because I mean the pattern of my skirt, the cheetah print, it is so neutral that it can really go with any color. You know, throw on that neon green, throw on a pink, a purple, a red. This would actually look really good with a red. But yeah, just add a pop of color and then the world is your oyster. Style how you like. Me personally, I think I would mix patterns again and style them with these boots. These are just some sock booties from DSW. They have like a nice, really thin striped pattern. I know it like picks up weird on cameras. But yeah, so I would pair this and mix patterns again with this boot. I think that would look so chic and so awesome. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. It really supports my channel, so thank you for doing that. And click the little bell so you get notified when I upload. And be sure to follow me on Instagram too so you can see how I style everything every day, because I want to post more fashion related videos. Okay, thanks for watching. I love you. Bye guys.